Hello students, welcome back to your channel Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Students, you want to learn mind-blowing effects in presentations? Yes, I know you have to make PPTs for your projects and everything. So let us start with it. I'll tell you how to make effective presentations. You'll get applause. So let us start. First of all, I want to show how you can keep your images moving like this. See here. Automatically all the images are moving. First see all the effects, then I'll tell you how to do it. Isn't it lovely? Liked it? Okay, there are some more techniques. First just go through all these, then I'll let you know how to do it. Like here you have to write some text here and see here by character, animation, morphing, by words. Now see the color changes in the words. Now duplicate slides you have to make like this on the left and then on the right, and with morphing techniques you can change its position. See that its size and its shape has also been changed. Now see here the images are kept off the slide and they'll be moving one by one on the screen, on the slide like this. You want to learn all these techniques? I'll show you. Just wait. First see full. See here. Stay tuned. Now the color is being changed. Size and again by. Then again shape is being changed. Okay, I'll let you know how to do it. So first of all, come to this slide. Okay, in this is okay, fine in all the slides. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to insert many pictures of the same size, same height and width. Okay, then after inserting all the pictures, then first thing you have to do, you have to zoom out from here. See here, all the pictures, few pictures are off the slide, and here I have put two circles, inserted two circles. I have changed the shape and the color is white and no outline. Then I have to duplicate this slide. In the next slide, what I've done, I have just shifted these images because I've already grouped them. Okay, I have shifted like this. Okay, now again duplicate this slide. Then this slide is shown to you after duplication. Then again change its position, the image's position, and then you have to change the technique also. It should be morphing, morph here, and after 0. Okay, that's it. This is the only thing. And in other things you see here, okay, I'll just zoom out. Now here see, now you have to type the text here. In effects option you have to click on characters. So after each and every character the color will be changed. See here, morph transition by characters. And for next, if you want to change the transition by words, then in effect option go to words. Okay, and now this one, in the first slide you have to keep the image on the left. In the next slide keep it on the right. See here, in this slide I've kept the image on the left, and in next I've kept it on the right. And see here the morphing technique. Okay, then see here the shape, the full rectangular shape is here. In next slide I've changed the shape. Again in next I've changed the shape. Here also I've changed the shape. But you have to think, you have to be careful that the transition should be morph here. Okay, and in this I've already told you, you have to keep all the images off the slide. Okay, then in next just move other pictures here and there, and only one picture in the middle of the slide, and rest other pictures here and there. I'll show you how, where they are. See here, only one in the middle and rest of the slides. So in this way you can. And now the last thing, stay tuned. This slide, then I've duplicated it, but I've changed I've morphed it and then changed its picture format. Okay, from here I've changed everything. Like picture effects, you can take glow and you can change the color, everything you can change. And again same here, morphing and everything. I hope you liked the video. Keep watching all the videos. Stay tuned.